Let's get right to Tim Biggam of Buy Alerts. Tim, what are you watching in the stock market?
Earnings, certainly on the top of the list as we really get into the meat of the earnings season this week and next week. So how earnings come out, and more importantly, I think kind of how they guide forward will be the key to where the market heads from here. I think valuations now at extremes as well. So we're seeing that kind of play out as interest rates head higher on the long end, the 10-year yield well above 4% again. So it's this battle between earnings, valuations, and interest rates, and how that plays out ultimately, I think, will be the key for the market. I think it will be a difficult time for stocks to head appreciably higher unless earnings beat by a pretty decent margin here.
Are you considering any AI plays right now, Tim?
Yeah, looking at kind of the latest AI play on quantum computing, IONQ. That happens to be the stock symbol as well, IONQ. But we're seeing big repeated call buying as the stock ripped to new heights, but starting to weaken a little bit here. So I'm just going out, following that flow, buying these expensive, or selling these expensive call options against the stock I'm buying. Stock last I looked hanging around the 14 level, so a fairly inexpensive stock, but the option prices have gotten to extremes here. So I think selling some calls makes a lot of sense if you want to play IONQ to head even a little bit higher from here.
We thank you so much, Tim.
You bet. Anytime, Ange. Take care.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.